Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to reset your Ubisoft Connect password. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Ubisoft application. So if you don't know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Ubisoft videos where you can check out how you can do this. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and reset your Ubisoft Connect password. But firstly, let's check out what we have in front of us. In the left side of the screen, we have the home, library, store, Ubisoft Plus, and we have your profile here. In the bottom left corner, we have the download manager and the subscribe to Ubisoft Plus button. But now let's see how you can actually go and reset your, of course, password. So you can either do that by when you're on the, of course, logged out, you can click on forget your password. So that is one option how you can, of course, go and do it if you are not in the application. But in the application, you can click on your profile, then click on settings. Then here you'll have a lot of, as you can see, different things over here in account management. So now when you're in account management, you have to go and activate the two-factor authentication to get this, of course, to be an option. And there you can go and restart your password. And that is pretty much how you can actually go and do that. Of course, you cannot do it in the settings or those things here. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.